It's Bay Rowan Fernandez next to him as his goalkeeper coach. And the third change of coach for Durban City this season. So they will get matters underway. City wearing the blue today. Refereeing today, by the way, is taken charge by Moses Keswa, with Messrs Piri and Siacha on the line. So underway we are. We've seen 2 goals already earlier today in KwaMashlanga, with TS Galaxy not having it all their own way against amateur opposition, but safely through into the semi-finals. They were winners back in 2019, of course, of this competition. They can buy him at the end of the season. Now, opportunity to get the cross in. It's not a bad little effort to the back post. Here comes the header, and the first effort on target in today's encounter. It was Maseko. Will be a little disappointed with his technique there.
Ball watching is the defender caught facing the ball, unaware of Maseko's approaching from behind. Yes, Maseko can be very disappointed with himself because he got the better of the defender, but headed the ball too low, and that bounce.
Here he is again. Well, he's going through the middle and perhaps a little over-ambitious. Referee was not interested in his appeal there. Globo, Cisse, but a space for Makwele. Now, Dion waits in the middle. Keith makes a good save. That was goal-bound, by the way. He hit it as a cross, but it ended up being something of a shot.
umfoka mthiyana kuyilapha ke-Milford nathi ibhola le-Durban City phakathi ebhokisini balifuna liyakrosa ayitholi muntu. Susa nje kalula ayabulela Maxwele, walisusa nje kalula ayabulela Maxwele. Shuba lapha ke coach Manqoba Mnqithi kubo bonke ke abaqeqeshi abakhona. Uyeke ngempela ke umqeqeshi sebenza lapha ke emuva yena ke Mawova yabaqeda ke ngenduku iChipa United yathatha lapha ke u3 points. Sibheka lapha ke liyaphasa kana kusho Maxwele phakathi ebhokisini. Vinjo sekalula lapha ke uNcanana uyalidla siphamandla uNcanana. Silala siyasebenza ezobuya noSise ke manje Lamontville Golden Arrows abafana besithende bafuna lapha ke ayibulela Maxwele efaka lapha ke enkundla lapha ke uSquishy zera Squishy jikamnana lo ke ibhola yena ke uNdlovu efaka lapha ke kuSise futhi iyashoshela ke manje Lamontville Golden Arrows abafana besithende nangumsomi ke manje bheke lapha ke phambili Msomi Maxwele ithuba le-Arrows sebenza lapha ke emuva yena ke uMkhize Sithole shala lapha ke ntenga indawo yena ke uSithole uya lapha ke Magawana phakamisile le bhola Magawana bafuna amakhanda iyaphilela ngapha ke lenkundla Mkhize phakamisa Jodwana engapha ke lenkundla onside Magawana khona nani ithuba phakathi ebhokisini yasho leyo mpahla Fezile Thaba walungisa wayilungisela yena uFezile Thaba wathatha isikhathi sakhe waselithatha ke elibeka enethini nange coach Asimo Dladla ukhuluma lapha ke noTerence Mashego uthi ke Mashego njengoba ke kuhamba kanje yena ke uPitso Dladla uthi njengoba ke kuhamba kanje ngicela ke singaphazamisani ngapha ngasemgqeni wakho yonke into kucela ke ihleleke akubheke lapha ke mukele liyabhola Fezile Thaba ube nesikhathi sonke phakathi ebhokisini abamphikanga ke neze yena lezi Shebelezi uyamfaka lapha ke lenkundla ufuna lapha kuMagawana sibheka lapha ke bhola lakhe kuMagawana Khize phakathi ebhokisini bafuna amakhanda lidla kakhulu lidla nje kalula Mawava lidla kalula Edward Mawava Shezi uyahlehla uShezi ufuna lapha ke uJiyane qala phansi lapha ke The Beast uya lapha ke intando yoNkosi Mabaso uliveze kahle leli bhola Mafuleka uyavula uyavala Mafuleka sebenza uKhithi ekhathini kaMedemo yena ke uDarren Khitha uyavimba Darren Khitha yilo-ke i-record labo against KZN teams. Sukumchukula lapha-ke Golden Arrows khona amaZulu esiwaboneleke izolo-ke ephuma siphela lapha-ke ibhola le-Durban City. Makawana ayiveza kamnandi phakathi ebhokisini. Mkwena wenze njani uletha kapha nenkundla Maseko Othuyadla uMaseko Othuyadla uMaseko omuhle umsebenzi owenziwa uMagawana ngale nenkundla. Wabona Mkwena athi hlabuhle Maseko uyayiphakela uMaseko. Jojwana futhi Durban City ngathi ke ivuka umbhejazana ke kusula phake sombe sesibili. Magawana uzolikhumula ke iqembu elanqoba ngo-2020-2021 season okuyona lapha ke iChakuma Chamadzibandila ngaphambi kokuthi bashintshe ke igama babeke iMarumo Gallants. Wayikhona ke kulelo qembu beyinqoba le ndebe yena ke uBrendan Teron, so he knows what's at stake. Makabe umdlalo umkanje namuNdlovu ke manje squish phakathi ebhokisini asibhekana lithuba le-Arrows liyabacesa lithola uMaxwele wenze njani Maxwele phakathi ebhokisini sala phansi uKhumalo uthi Nompempe gede nje abantu balale emsebenzini. Ayijubane ke manje ibhola lawo ke iDurban City kodwa ke ufika kuqala uGiyane waselihla nje kalula leli bhola yena ke uGiyane ezobele Golden Arrows futhi sibheka lapha ke ibhola lakhe uSquish ufuna lapha ke Mafuleka nangu Mafuleka ke manje uyasika shela ungena ngaphakathi. Brendan Theron uyalidlulisa ngapha ke lenkundla eyibhola lawo lapha ke Golden Arrows. Maxwele eqeda ngena uKhumalo le ikhuluma ke nge-coaches influencer off the ball or off the bench. Wenza lapha ke i-movement enhle off the ball. Yena ke uKhumalo waselithatha ke elibeka enethini. Yabuya ke lapha ke ngempela iLamontville Golden Arrows. Ngiyafisa ke ukubona ukuthi ebese ke walithinta ngaphambilini njengoba eqeda ngena nje uKhumalo noma ke i-first touch ngaleyo ndlela ke i-Arrows ibuyile emdlalweni. Nansi ibuya futhi umdlali okhiqizwe iqembu lomkhambathi wahamba waya ke ku-JDR Stars wasebuya ke lapha ke eKZN Milford. Sibheka lapha ke Kyle Yagenza phakathi ebhokisini. Jojwana sebenza lapha ke emuva abayo lapha ke Golden Arrows. Bogenpula dlala noMagawana engapha ke lenkundla Fezile Gaba ayiveza kamnandi Maseko phakathi ebhokisini. Uzoba ikhona kick sebenzile lapha ke uGiyane wayidela lapha ke emuva akuphethe eKakasini isoke ukuthi ke ekabani ke lemvula ayibusiso ke zohamba nobani. Nathi Golden Arrows Nguse Khumalo embuyisele uNguse wamnika uNguse uthi hlabuhle uNguse. Open net sebenzile lungelo Nguse wayilungisela yena kakaba namona bekulula ukulikora leliya kunokulike kungayithuba leliya leGolden Arrows. Benze njani Maxwele dlala noNdlovu nanguNdlovu ke manje phakathi ebhokisini. Brendan Theron takhithi nayo leyo phasa lihle leliya bhola phakathi ebhokisini. Isinda ngokulambisa iDurban City. Hayi khona kuna offside lapha Mawuva. Phakamisile Maxwele ithola ngapha lenkundla uCele. Maxwele ke manje hamba namadoda Maxwele sebenza Darren Keita uyasebenza akitikiti ebezamile lapha ke Maxwele ngora kwabuya nalolizwe leliyabhola yena ke Darren Samcele bafuna amakhanda liyasuswa leliyabhola ke emuva abawulapha ke iDurban City Gasa dlala noSise Sise yey akalibona uDarren Keita akaliboni uDarren Keita uthi yazama uSise ngora kwasebenza lapha ke emuva Darren Keita imzuzu eyishumi nje esele aphambi kokuthi sikele lapha koke ama-penalty makungenagoli elitholakala la phakathi kweleli yabhola Maxwele phumela ngaphandle ibhola lakhe ayabulela Maxwele